Hi guys, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you this, I was opening up stuff, this Dollar Tree haul, and then also a few items that I picked up from Big Lots. It's not a big hoopla of stuff, but just sharing what I picked up today, and yeah, for both stores. So I first, starting here, I picked up these Snugadoo socks, and I picked up 3 of these, and this is for my sweeper to clean the floors to put on the ends of it, because I was needing to do my floors the other day, and the attachment, the refill, soft pad was dirty, and I was like, man, I need this wash, I need this clean right now. So I remember some people mentioning this, so I'm gonna try it and stick it on the end of the mop, dust mop, or spray dust mop, and use these. I should have got a dark color, but use those, because I don't use these in the house if they don't have the little dots on it, because you can come down off the steps and slide. Okay, I also picked up a paintbrush that I want to do a project for, and then I picked up some more of these little LED tea light candles. Josiah, I put together his little, well, I shouldn't say his, the little miniature town, and I found with the little people, and I put it on a little tray so that he knows not to just be playing with it like his regular toys. I also picked up some Coast and some French vanilla coffee mate. I don't really drink coffee, but I'm trying to maybe drink it every now and then to wake up. So I do like the French vanilla liquid creamer. I did pick some up from Aldi, but I have not tried that yet, and I know that this is good. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up 2 little cute little coffee cups. I just picked this up because it was the Christmas colors, but I probably should have got the Christmas ones that they have with the designs, but I figured I can use these all year, and I do like the blue one. It was a blue one and another color. Was it purple? I don't remember, but this one says happiness in a cup, and it has a twist lid and rise and grind. Then I also saw these ornaments, and I thought they were really cute, because I went in Big Lots to get some ornaments for my craft room tree, because they just wasn't working out with what I had, and then some ornaments to work on Mama's tree, but she said she really just need filler, and I'm gonna give her some of my old ornaments because they're not going to work for me this year, and something else, oh, some ribbon, but she already took that home. But I thought these were so cute for $1, and I think I picked up 6 of them. Did I pick up 6? Yeah, 6 of them. I picked up some more of the Scrub Buddies duster, and using this in my tree. Yeah, in my tree. I picked up some Starlight Mints. I usually like to keep these on hand anyway. I've been a little slack about that, and it's Christmas time. I should have got some candy canes and put them in a little candy dish at the door. And then I have another Christmas candy dish. I picked up some faux snow because I kept looking at it and putting it off. And Josiah really loved the little project that we did. And I wish they made that in the Christmas stuff. They're like foam pieces. I showed it on Instagram. Little foam pieces. You can make a turkey, and it has like a sticky back, and it's has glitter on it in different colors. And what else did it have? A cornucopia. But anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and pick this up because these were the last 3 to do a project. I picked up some batteries, and let's see, is that it from Dollar Tree? And some 20 mini lights to put some more on his little tree in his room. And then, guys, I picked these up. I actually ordered these on dollartree.com, and I was under the impression that you get 4. I ordered 2 boxes, so that's why you see 4 in each box, and they don't. They bamboozle you, or either they got my order wrong, but I think that's how it comes. But if I read the description right, it said you got 4 of the designs in 1 box. It's a total of 12 plates, and you get only 2 of the Merry Christmas with the little truck, and you only get 2 of the gingerbread. So I want these 2 more so, and then you get these over here. Okay, I brought all of them over here so you can see what I'm talking about. You get 4 of, in 1 box, you get 4 of the snowmen, and then you get 4 of the Santa Claus. I think it's 4. Yeah, and then you only, no, it might be 6. No, it's 4, 4, 2, and 2. Yeah. So I was under the impression that you get, well, I guess that's not 12. Is that 12? No, I was under the impression you get 3, 3, 3, and 3. I thought that's what the description says, and I bet I can't go back now and check and see because it's probably all gone. But I don't need all these, and I really want to give them away, guys, on the channel. But they're heavy, and I don't know how much that would be in shipping, and I'm scared y'all get them and they'll be broken. Because I don't need them. I especially don't need the snowman. I don't really like that. And then the Santa Claus, I thought about painting his face brown. But the Santa Claus, I might keep one for Saya, for Santa and cookies. Cookies for Santa. Keep 1 or 2, and then the rest give them away. But I have to think about it and research the postage, because this will be, if I keep the box and put everything back in, it'll be too heavy, and I do not like paying shipping. Even when I'm ordering something, I don't like to pay shipping. That's why we have Amazon Prime, and I hate when they take that money out of my account at that time. And then the other order that I picked up was, I ordered these, and I picked these up years ago, and I did a DIY, and then I messed them up by doing the DIY but putting glitter on them. So I just ordered just 6 of these, and I wanted these actually for my Thanksgiving tablescape, but I can use them at Christmas time or any other time because I really like them. Okay, guys, so from Big Lots, I was hoping they had a better sale than what they have, because Big Lots stuff can add up, and it can be a little can be pricey if it's not a sale and you don't have a coupon. But I went in there again for some ornaments, and these are the ones that I picked up, and I had to talk myself out of not getting some. Some of the best ones were gone too, because everybody, I guess, likes that rose gold color. Yeah, the enchantment blush rose gold color was, they only had a few of the ornaments left. So I picked up the shimmer collection here, and this was $6. They were 15% off, so you only get 5 in here. So they were like $5.10, and my tree is not big, so, and I'll probably use it, I'm sure, year after year. This was the very last one of the enchantment. And this was more of a pink color, because most of the enchantment stuff was like a rose gold color. But I was looking at some other ones that had like pearls around it, but you only got 3 in a pack. And I was just like, it was just like 2 different colors. But Mama and I were saying maybe separately they didn't look quite the same, and they kind of clash a little bit. But they probably will go on the tree together, if that makes sense. And then I also picked up this one. So all of these were $5.10. And this is part of the shimmer collection too. And then I needed some ornaments because the green ones were throwing me off big time. And I only had a couple of them with silver because my tree is white in my craft room. And then this collection of ornaments is only $4. So it was like, I think, $3 and something for these. Or was the regular price? It might have only been the Winter Wonderland collection that was on sale. Everything should have been on sale because it was still Black Friday weekend. No, today is Black Friday. No, what's today? Today's Saturday, Black Friday weekend. So I was glad they got some more of the red trucks. I did get the circle ones. I don't know if I showed you guys or not. And these were $3.50. And I wanted to wait till they were on sale, but these go really quickly because they were gone the first time. Then I ended up picking up a 24, don't press it right now, Saya, a 24-hour timer, and this was $6 because how I have the tree, it's a little pain to get behind the tree and plug it in, so I thought I would try a timer this year. I remember my mama bought one, but this is the very first time I ever got a timer. And I also got these little rocking horses. It wasn't but a couple of these left, and I thought about getting the owls that they had, but I didn't get those. And you only get 3 of these, and I believe these were $5.10 as well. Then Cottrell broke my nativity set. It was so pretty. I think I did show it in one tour. Don't press that one. Don't press that. And it has a press try me button. And I thought it was so pretty because it was clear. What did I just say? Don't press that and get me copyrighted.
I'm being silly.
Yeah, you being silly. And so it glows. It glows and everything like Saya just showed, and it was $16. I wish it was on sale, but it wasn't. But it was worth $6. But Cottrell broke my pretty cream and gold one that I found at the thrift store. I've been searching for a pretty nativity set for years. He's so rough and heavy-handed. He just broke my stuff. And then, guys, the Pathway Spiral Light trees. I really don't have too much outside. I have a wreath. I do have some greenery I can put out there. That was Bethlehem lights, but the lights have kind of died over the years, and some years I don't feel like putting it out. So this was $12, but it was actually on sale for $9, and if I knew it was $9, I would have got another one. But I am not really trying to do too much outside. I put a mat out there, a wreath, this. It just depends if I feel more festive that day to go outside. And then what Saya's messing with, I think it was 2 of these left, the Winter Wonderland craft ribbon. I don't remember, guys, if I originally got this from Big Lots or not. I don't remember. I really don't. I know Dollar General had some, but it was different. But anyway, it was $3, which I think is not bad for 18 feet. And then this one, it really doesn't, well, I can make it go with my theme this year, but I thought it was pretty. Gray, white, and red. $3. Excuse me, I was not done. And that was 18 feet as well. And Mama, I got her like some snowflakes. They come like 6 in a pack for like $1. Those solid gold ones. Filler for her tree. And then I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna do her tree. And something else. What else did she get? She got some ribbon, some really pretty gold ribbon. That was $3 too. And it's 18 feet. Like a shimmery gold. So that's it, guys. I picked up from Dollar Tree and Big Lots. I am done. I'm not buying. This is probably the most I ever bought for Christmas, but that's okay because some years I just bought flowers and ribbon. And if you're limited on your budget on what you're getting for Christmas, of course the Dollar Tree is where to go, but that can add up too. But take advantage of those sales at Joann's and Michael's. And just switch out your ribbon and switch out your flowers, and that will make a world of a difference if you're on a budget. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget, there's always hope. Say bye, Saya.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Can't press that. Yeah. Can't press.